Hey guys, Squatch Reloading here. As many of you know, I'm a huge fan of the 10mm, and I just loaded up some of these Everglades, in fact, 180 grain jacketed hollow points, and they look pretty impressive. And I've shot some of these. They're very accurate, and I just kind of wanted to show them off today and kind of look there. Hopefully you guys can kind of get an eyeball on that. They look very similar to like a Hornady XTP. And they'd probably be a great defense round. So,
hey honey, did you feed the watermelon to the chickens yet?
So it looks like we might shoot this one. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that little clip of us busting that watermelon with one of these 180 grain jacketed hollow points out of my G40 10mm Glock. So all is good. I'm happy. I got to throw a round down range. Chickens are happy. They got a little treat this afternoon, and of course Mama's happy. So all is good. So don't forget to check me out, guys, over on Facebook and Instagram at Squatch Reloading. You can find my videos here, of course, but also go check out the Reloaders Network. I go by Squatch Reloading over there as well. But until next time, guys, God bless.